Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the MSI Pro Z790P Wi-Fi motherboard, and we're going to also see the features that it has. And this is a 14th, 13th, 12th generation CPU ready Pro series. It supports Intel Core processors. Very good motherboard, and we're going to unbox it and I'll show you what it looks like. So it's brand new, as you can see, completely sealed. So if you look here at the box, in front of the box we've got here the make, and we've got here the model of the motherboard. Looking at the sides, a bit more information there. And if we look at the back, so we've got a few other features here. We've got an illustration of what the motherboard looks like. 14 dual rail power system, DDR5 support, front USB Type-C, Lightning USB 20G, Lightning Gen 5, 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6G, we've got Bluetooth 5.3, M2 Shield Razor. It also has specifications here about the CPU. CPU supports Intel Core 14th, 13th, 12th generation processors, Intel Pentium Gold or Celeron processors. The CPU socket is LGA 1700, chipset Intel Z790 chipset, expansion slot. It's got one PCI Express 5.0, another one 4.0, and it's got two 3.0 slots. It's got a built-in graphics. In terms of display, it supports 5K at 60 Hz as per HDMI 2.1, and it's got a display port 1.0, which will require a processor graphics. 4 memory slots. In terms of storage, you've got 4 M2 Gen 4 64 gigs per second slots, and it's got 6 SATA as well, 6 gigabytes ports. It's got a few USBs there, LAN. It's got wireless Bluetooth, and it's got wireless, and it's got Wi-Fi as well, and we've got audio incorporated as well. Pretty good motherboard. So let's go ahead and open this up. So opening the box, we've got the motherboard right over here, and we also have inside the box here a few things. We've got SATA cables, we've got the wireless antenna, we've got the back plate, we've got a few screws over here that I'm just going to put them on the sides, and we've got the instruction manuals as well as the drivers in a CD format. And well and good, this is all that comes inside the box. So let me put this here on the sides and move the box across here to the side. Okay, motherboard. Here is the motherboard in all its glory. So let's open this up, completely new and sealed. Okay, so remove the motherboard from its plastic cover, and here is the motherboard. Pretty cool, hey? So we've got the RAM slots there, CPU bay, we've got here the NMV2 bay there, we've got PCI Express slots, and we've got here on this side, as you can see, USB slots. We've got mouse and keyboard there, HDMI, display ports, we've got the USB slots there, USB-C here at the back, Wi-Fi, and the audio. Pretty nice and sleek. So this is it for this unboxing. I will be setting this up on a computer and making another video. Please stay tuned for that one, as I will put a link in the description for you to watch me set up the motherboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.